Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, and this is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. This is some Satin Finish Sherwin Williams Latex paint. I am going to do what I don't usually do, which is a fairly straightforward bloom, because I have a dryer I haven't used before. That is probably plenty of paint. But I've got a new set of colors that I really like the look of. I see that thing that does not belong. And I have tweezers. They're on my Amazon link. They're really sharp. They're the best tweezers I can imagine for getting stuff out of paint. They also help clean the tips of my bottles, so I appreciate that a lot. So I'm going to try not to worry about getting my edges to the edges. Yet, anyway. I'm going to use some Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. I kind of want to spread it right over the... Maybe I'll just do a Jessica Winterstrom. No, that's not invited. That's off my paint can. Go away now. Let's try that again. Just a sheet of acetate. It did it twice. Now I see her do this. I'm going to get that other piece out of there. I see her do this all the time, but she never uses a spatula to clean her card off. And I want to do that once. I've got my head right under the camera, sorry. Put that in a bucket. Put both of those things in the bucket. Alright, so the colors I used the other day that I really like. Start with some Chantilly lace. And some Indian Spice Gold, both Prizm pours. What I didn't use was Isidora, which is a primary element. I'm not sure what's going to show up and what isn't, because I don't do blooms like this conventionally. I'm going to add a little sour lemon that has orange crush in it. That wasn't part of the color set the other day. This is orange crush. Double dose of that. Making it up as I go along. Pink carnation. Both of those are Prizm pours also. Double dose of that. It's not squeezing out very well though. Let's do a little saffron. That's a Prizm pour. I'm going all out. I'm going to put a little Miami Magenta in. That is also Prizm pour. If it'll come out. Hoping that wasn't a disaster in the kitchen I just heard. There is my Wild Orchid. And finish, maybe. Finish with Jasmine. Primary element. Wild Orchid is a Prizm pour. Now, the question is, do I want a little more Chantilly lace, and then am I going to use black cell activator or white? I think I'm going to use my black cell activator, so I don't really mind having some of the Chantilly lace on top, especially since I don't think that the stuff on the bottom is actually going to show up. So before I keep going, let me move my colors out of the way, because when I get ready to spin, I'm just going to spin. And cross your fingers that this new blow dryer works. That's a lot of cell activator. Here's my new little toy. I saw some nice stuff in there, but this isn't it. I don't think I'm very good at this yet. And I could tip, but I think I'm going to spin. Let's make sure we're moved back far enough. Grab my barrier. I should let that develop for a minute, shouldn't I? There might be some nice cells in there, actually. Usually at this point I do a scoop and drag. Maybe we'll just move the paint around for a second. I was looking for a round canvas, but I couldn't find any I really wanted to sacrifice yet. Part of me wants to put some more saffron and or jasmine in there, but I'm just going to go for it. It might be nice anyway. Might have some cool patterns at the very least. It's just not nearly as bright as I was hoping for. I think that's the combination of the black and the white. And I might have to tip to get a corner covered, or I might scrape up some paint because it looks like there's enough on my silicone mat. Oh yeah, no, I'm happy with that. Happy enough to spin one more time and hope for the best. Nice, really nice. I'm not unhappy with that at all. Of course, it didn't come out as bright as it could have, but que sera, sera. So I'm going to take this white paint from over here and put it down right over here on this one spot. It's missing paint, but everything else looks like it's covered. And what do I want to do? Do I want to do anything with that white spot? I could put a cell activator in, or I could be smart and leave it alone because it's not that bad. Or I could blow on it a little bit and pretend to fix it. Those are gorgeous colors together. I think a little more blowing. Do I mind a white corner? I've got two. I could tip, but I don't think so. You could take any one of those colors and add them back in. I see there's a little spot. I don't know if it's actually a spot. I haven't really looked. Everything looks pretty well covered. Yep, it was a spot. It was an uncovered spot. Easily remedied. Now I've got paint on my finger. Okay then. That was not a bad experiment. I am obviously in need of much practice with that dryer, but I am so not complaining either. I am going to blow a little bit more. Really gently right over there. And I'm probably going to take a torch. I don't even want to wreck it. I don't want to do anything to it. I don't even mind the dark colors in there. Although I say that and you can never trust me. No, it's autumn themed colors, and I love how the wild orchid came through in such a subtle way. Let's hit it really quick with a torch, and then I'll... No, I love that. The browns are freaking awesome. And I have forgotten my phone, so I cannot do anything more than zoom in for you. But I can turn it the way I like it, because I'm not going to try and edit this video. Although I like it this way too, so it doesn't matter. It was good the other way. Let's go back. Oh yeah. I like how that black and white area came out. It's really pretty. This is gorgeous. If it comes out half as sparkly. I found out that I like to use the Giosonia gloss varnish as a finish. And I think I'm spun out enough. I'm loving the cells. I didn't do a lot of tipping, and I don't think I had to. And like I said, I like it at least 3 ways, if not all 4. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your kind words and your comments. You keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. Why would I turn that light out? I can just keep doing that while I talk to you. Thank you for the kind words. I said that. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon or a link is underneath the video in the description. My Amazon link is on my link tree. I have 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about paint pouring. This is so gorgeous and getting prettier by the moment. Even the muddy stuff is not muddy. It's just contrastful, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is my only painting today, unless I decide to change my mind because I still got half an hour before dinner. But check out my link tree. Look for my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork, so please inquire if you'd like to. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I'm posting at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What am I forgetting? Oh, I have 31 lists right at the moment of 100 videos each, and they're also organized by topic and genre. So if you like something like blooms, you can ask me for the playlist and I'll give it to you. It's easy for me to find, a lot easier for me than you. Whatever I missed is you can have anything reproduced that I made, and this might become something that goes on spring clothing or at Le Gallerist. Wow. This one is going to cry out for some gloss varnish because it is so pretty up close. It's a wow. Serious wow. Just gorgeous. No scoop and drag, just a serious wow. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Whatever I've forgotten is on my link tree. You're going to find my Facebook group, a couple of websites, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Brain cramp. FineArtAmericaPixels.com. Those are 2 places you can have my stuff reproduced. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Come again.